Welcome back. Sets. We are coming to deal with multiplication of sets. And under the multiplication of sets, we'll be looking at these items or these sub-strand under the multiplication of sets. So follow me gradually. If you don't understand, please play back the video for better understanding. So the first one will be dealing with what? Multiplying a fraction by a set. Then the second one, which is B, multiplying a set by a set. Then the third one, which is what? Expansion of sets. And this expansion of sets will be seeing type 1, type 2, type 3, then type 4. So we have a lot to do here. So follow me gradually, then we dive through these lessons beautifully. Alright, so let's proceed. Alright, so let's see this one. Solution. Now, the first one, simplify 1/5 of square root of 60. So we are starting with multiplying the fraction by a set. So that's what we have here. Simplify 1/5 of square root of 60. So now, 1/5 of square root of 60, we'll get two numbers when we multiply, we'll get 60, but one of the numbers should be a perfect square. So we can get 1/5 of, and that's 4 times 15. So 1/5 of square root of 4 times square root of 15. Don't forget, we are multiplying. So here 1/5 of square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 15. Now 1/5 times 2, that's multiplication of fraction. So this one is out of 1. 1 times 2 is 2 over 5 times 1 is 5. Then square root of 15. So this is what we have. Now let's see the second one. Simplify 5 over 2, square root of 40. Square root of 40, you get 4 times 10. So 4 times 10. So 5 over 2. Then square root of 4 times square root of 10. So 5 over 2. Square root of 4 is just 2. Then square root of 10. Now mind you, this 2 is not inside square root. And this 10 is inside square root. So you can't say that 2 going to 10, 1, then into 2 going to itself 1, then into 10, 5. No, because 10 is inside square root. This 2 is not inside square root, so they can't cancel. You can't say that we have a common factor. No, they are different numbers altogether. So 2, we can't say that the common factor is 5 here. No. So 2 cannot go into 10 as in what we have 10 divided by 2. No, we can't do that. Unless we don't have the square root here. So we can use this one to cancel. Right? 5 times 1 is 5. Then we drop square root of 10. So that's what we have. Let's see the third one. 3/4 of square root of 36. We get that's square root of 36, that's 6, right? Square root of 36 is straightforward, that's 6, straightforward. Square root of 36 is straightforward, that's 6. So 2 here, 2 into 6 is 3. So you get 3 out of 2 times 3, which is out of 1. 3 times 3 is 9. Over 2 times 1 is 2. So this is what we have. Let's see the fourth and the fifth question. So the fourth question, simplify square root of 100. Square root of 100 is 10, straightforward, out of 2. 2 going to 10 how many times? 5. So we have this. Very simple. Square root of 100 is 10 divided by 2. 2 into 10 is 5, or the common factor is 5. Now, question 5, that's square root of 24. Square root of 24, 4 times 6 all over 6. Now we split square root of 4 times square root of 6 out of 6. Don't see that 6 can cancel 6. No. This is not inside square root. This is inside square root. So they can't cancel. Square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 6 over 6. 2 here, 1 into 6 is 3. 1 times square root of 6 is still square root of 6. Because 1 will multiply this invisible number here. Take note of that. So we have this guy. So out of 3. So square root of 6 over 3 can also be written as 1 over 3 square root of 6. Take note of that. Square root of 6 all over 3 can also be written as what? 1 over 3 square root of 6. Because the coefficient of square root of 6 is what? 1. So you can write it as 1 out of 3 and times square root of 6. Alright, so if you don't understand, please play back the video for better understanding. Let's see the B part of the set. Alright, so let's see this one. Multiplying a set by a set. Example, simplify the following sets. Alright, so if you're in JHS, you have to reduce the set. Don't just go straight forward and multiply 12 times 8, which you get 96. Because you don't use calculator, you can't do that. So you relax and break down the set. Please and please. Don't multiply again so that you get a very huge number or a huge number. Okay? Alright, so let's see question 1. Simplify the following sets. We have square root of 12 times square root of 8. Square root of 12 is just 4 times 3 times square root of 8 is just 4 times 2. So here we split square root of 4 times square root of 3 times square root of 4 times square root of 2. So here we get 2 times square root of 3 times 2 times square root of 2. Now, these 2 will multiply these 2 because they are not in square root. So 2 times 2. So it will be 2 times 2 times square root of 3 will multiply square root of 2 because they are in square root. 2 times 2 we get 4 times 3 times 2 we get 6, and the answer will be 4. 4 multiplies 1. So we get 4 times 1, which is 4 square root of 6. That's that. Very simple. Alright, let's see the second one. The second one, square root of 48 times square root of 80. Now, square root of 48, we can get square root of 48, we can get 16 times, is it 3? And times square root of 80, we can get 16 times 5. So we split square root of 16, square root of 16 times square root of 3, and square root of 16 times square root of 5. Here we get 4 times square root of 3 times 4 times square root of 5. Now 4 multiplies 4, then times square root of 3 times square root of 5. Here we get 16 times here we get, that's 15. So it will be 16 square root of what? 15. So this is what we have. Alright, so let's see question 3. Now square root of 54 times square root of 125. Square root of 54, we can get 9 times 6. Then times square root of 125, that will give us 25 times 5. That is 25 times 5. 25 times 5. That's square root of 125. 5, 5, 25, 5, 2, 10. Okay. We split square root of 9 times square root of 6 times square root of 25 times square root of 5. Here we get 3 times square root of 6 times 5 times square root of 5.